Inhaling, reach your arms up, gently back. Exhale, folding forward. Breathe into a halfway lift, long spine. Exhale to fold. Breathe in through a halfway lift, bending the knees, step the right foot back, take the knee down, and release the foot. Grounding into both feet, sweep the arms up. Exhale to downward facing dog. Inhale forward, plank, knees, chest, chin. Inhale to a low cobra. Exhaling, give yourself a push. Downward facing. Right leg lifts, breathe in. Exhale, steps through. Take the knee down, release the foot. Sweep and lift. Exhale to the top of the mat, fold in half. Inhaling all the way up. Gentle back bend. Exhale, fold. Halfway lift. And fold. Through halfway left foot steps. Sweep the arms up. Your breath in. Exhale to downward facing. Inhale forward to plank. Knees, chin, chest. Low cobra. Breath in. Exhale. Downward facing dog. Left leg up. Exhale, steps it through. Sweep and lift. Breathing in, exhale to the top of your mat. Fold in half. All the way up. Breathe in. And hands to your heart center. Exhale. Inhale, reach. Up and back. Exhale, fold. Halfway lift. Unfold. Through halfway right foot steps. Sweep up. Downward facing dog. Exhale. Inhale forward to plank or down on the knees to cobra. Exhale, lower halfway down, option, to upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg lifts. Exhale, step through. Carries you up. Top of the mat. Fold in half. Inhale, lift. Back bend, exhale, fold. Halfway. And fold. Through halfway, left foot steps, sweep up. Downward facing dog. Inhale forward to plank. Choose your variation. Lower down. Cobra or upward facing. And downward facing dog. Left leg lifts to breathe in. Exhale to step through. Sweep up. Top of the mat, exhale. Fold. All the way up. Inhaling. And hands to the heart. Sun salutation A. heart opening variation. Inhale, reach up and back. Exhale, fold. Halfway lift. And fold. Through halfway, right foot steps back, take the knee down, release the foot, ground into the top of the foot. Sweep the arms up to breathe in. Maybe a gentle back bend here, and exhale, pull the elbows down. Heart opens. Inhale, carries the arms up, aligns the spine. Exhale, steps back, downward facing dog. Inhale, forward, knees are plank. Exhale, all the way or halfway. Inhale, low cobra or upward facing. Downward facing dog. Right leg lifts to breathe in. Exhale to step through. Knee down, foot down, sweep up. Exhale, elbows draw back. Inhale, reach up. Top of the mat, fold in half. Inhale all the way up. Gently back. Exhale, fold. Halfway lift. And fold. Through halfway, left. Steps back. Sweep up. Exhale, heart opens. Inhale, up. Exhale, downward facing. Breathe in, come forward. Any variation here lowers you down, expands the heart, breathing in, and exhale back. Downward facing dog. Left leg lifts. Exhale, steps it through. Inhale up. Exhale, draw back. Breathe in to reach. Exhale, top of the mat. Fold in half. Inhale all the way up. And exhale, hands to heart center. Close down the eyes. Steady the breath. Notice how you feel. Inhale to reach up. Exhale to fold in half. Halfway lift, breathes in. And exhale to fold. Bend your knees through halfway lift. Step both of your feet back. Take the knees to the mat. And set the hips back into child's pose. Rest the arms. Take a moment here before bringing yourself up to a seat. Finding a comfortable seat. Take a moment to find a way to sit where you can stay tall throughout the spine. And then close down your eyes or bring them to a soft focus. Soft, natural breath.